What's the meaning of crème caramel? Crème caramel. Crème caramel.
Crème caramel. Crème caramel. Crème caramel is a French dessert consisting of a smooth, silky custard topped with a layer of caramelized sugar. The custard is made by combining eggs, milk or cream, sugar, and vanilla, and then baking it in a water bath until set. Once cooled, the dish is inverted onto a serving platter, so that the custard is on top, and the caramel is drizzled over it. The result is a rich, creamy dessert with a sweet, caramelized topping that is both visually appealing and delicious.